Today, as you watch another video, you are going to need to sketch a drawing on a sticky note. This is the beginning of the drawing. You want the sun in the middle. You want to show that this is Earth. These lines are the tilted axis. Remember, if you go out in space and look at this, you don't actually see this axis tilted on Earth. However, the stupid machine just froze. There, it's unfreezing. So it's just having hiccups right now. So hopefully you don't get too confused here. But this axis is just a made up invisible line that you wouldn't see from space, but it helps to visualize. All right, if Earth is here, the axis is going in this direction. If the Earth is here, the axis is going in this direction. What you need to do for today then, on this sticky note, you need to decide when the axis looks like this, which season do you have? When the axis looks like this, which season do you have? So you will need to label those seasons, and then you will be cutting your sticky note so that it is in half. I wouldn't suggest doing this now because it will be a bit easier to see where it is in the video. But you cut the sticky note in half, and if this is showing summer, then you would put this model up here, which would mean this is showing winter, and you would put that part of the model down by the winter section. So as you watch the video today now, your two jobs are to decide which axis tilt shows you summer and winter, and get this sketch made and then split it in half and locate it at the place on the graph where it belongs. In order to help you do that, here is another video.
You know that Earth orbits the sun, right? And that it takes a full year for our planet to complete its orbit. Earth also rotates like a slightly tilted spinning top. Earth remains tilted in the same direction all year round as we orbit the sun. That means the sun's light shines differently on Earth at different times of the year. Let's look at Earth when it's winter in the northern hemisphere. Observe how.
So it might be helpful as you are looking at this, you look and decide where does it seem like the tilt is. You will have to change things around in your head a little bit, but you should be able to figure it out.
The North Pole tips away from the sun. This means that sunlight strikes the northern hemisphere at a shallow angle for a short period of time. This is why winter weather is generally cool, with short days and long nights. As Earth orbits the sun, we move towards spring in the northern hemisphere. Now Earth is tilted neither toward nor away from the sun, as day and night are about equal in length.
Because the sun is right over here.
As we make our way to the summer months, notice that Earth is still tilted in the same direction, only now on the other side of our orbit.
So see how this tilt now is in more of the sunlight?
The North Pole is tipping towards the sun. Sunlight strikes the northern hemisphere more directly, and the sun stays in the sky for a longer time. Compared to winter, summer days are warmer, and the sun stays in the sky much longer. Notice, too, that while it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's winter in the southern hemisphere.
See how there's no
Because
sun?
of Earth's tilt, the seasons are reversed. We observe how Earth's tilt creates the different seasons throughout the year.
And that's the only part of this video that we are going to focus on now. If you need to rewind this and decide, with this tilt and the sun being here, does this show summer or winter? With this tilt and the sun being here, does this show summer or winter? North is on the top. When you have the sketch along with these two labeled, you need to decide which one shows summer, which one shows winter. If it's like this, you would put them next to each other. If it's like this, you put them here and send me a photograph. Thank you.